Hello, welcome to my channel. Всем привет! Добро пожаловать на мой канал. We're going to learn Russian adjectives today. Сегодня мы будем учить русские прилагательные. Take a look at this table. You see three groups of adjectives here. Hard stem, soft stem, and the third group, which is normally called a mixed group, here it's ГКХЖЧШ group, because these letters define this group. Under the table you see examples. Удобный, comfortable. This is the base form. The base form is masculine. Take a look at the ending. Удобный, ый. You will see this ending in the hard stem group in the table. And you change it into feminine. Удобная. Neuter. Удобное. Plural. Удобные. There is another example in the hard stem group. Смешной. It has ой ending. Feminine. Смешная. Neuter. Смешное. Plural. Смешные. Now let's take a look at the second group. Soft stem. Осенний. Feminine. Осенняя. Neuter. Осеннее. Plural. Осенние. So you see that, feminine, neuter, and plural forms are different from the hard stem group. The third group. ГКХЖЧШ. Горький. Before the ending E, you see letter K, so that's why this adjective belongs to the third group. Let's make feminine form. Горькая. Neuter. Горькое. Plural. Горькие. Another example. Рыжий. Feminine. Рыжая. Neuter. Рыжее. Plural. Рыжие. So you see there is a difference in the neuter form. There are two endings, oye and yeye. So which one you need to use? If you take a look at the title of this group, there are three letters ГКХ and there is a gap. The thing is that if you see these letters in the adjective, this adjective takes oye for neuter gender, like горькое. ЖЧШ take ее, like рыжее. So this is something you need to think in this group. The neuter form may be different. Let's move on. In this page you see two tables with adjectives and nouns. Let's build up phrases with these adjectives and nouns. For example, это не добрый, а злой человек. This is not a kind, but an angry person. So the noun человек is masculine. So you don't need to change the form of the adjectives. Добрый, злой, these are masculine adjectives. The base form is masculine. But in the next line, старый, новый, дорога, дорога is feminine. So you have to change the adjectives into feminine. Listen. Это не старая, а новая дорога. So you can practice with these adjectives and nouns to build up phrases. In the exercise 4, упражнение 4, you see adjectives and nouns like скорый помощь. But the adjectives are all in the base form, in masculine form. But not all nouns are masculine. For example, помощь is feminine, so you have to change the adjective into the feminine form. Скорая помощь. Трудный задание. Задание is neuter, so you have to say трудное задание, and so on. In the last page there are keys to these exercises, so you can check yourself. Here you see the word такой, which means such or so. It is used to emphasize the adjective. For example, эта картина такая красивая. This picture is so beautiful. The word такой changes by gender and number. Такой is masculine, такая feminine, такое neuter, такие plural. Another example, такой интересный рассказ. Such an interesting story. Рассказ is masculine, so I say такой. Вы такие счастливые. You are so happy. Вы, you, plural. So I say счастливые in plural form. In the exercise 29, упражнение 29, we shall use adjectives that describe people's character with members of our family. You see adjectives веселый, cheerful, грустный, sad, щедрый, generous, жадный, greedy, спокойный, calm, нервный, nervous, вежливый, polite, грубый, rude, общительный, social, замкнутый, reserved, трудолюбивый, hardworking, ленивый, lazy, серьезный, serious, легкомысленный, carefree, счастливый, happy, несчастный, unhappy. So you may say, for example, например, мой дядя такой практичный. My uncle is so practical. So you use the word такой, which emphasizes the adjective практичный. So practical, такой практичный. Masculine form because uncle is masculine. Let's take another example. Моя мама, my mom. Моя мама такая счастливая. My mom is so happy. Такая счастливая is feminine because mom is feminine. So now you know what to do. In this page you see keys to exercises 3 and 4, which we discussed in the slide number 3 in this video. The materials we use today are taken from my book Cases, Morphology and Function, which is available on Amazon. Спасибо за внимание. Thank you for your attention. С вами была Виктория. Пока!